How to get so many clients on Fiverr. In this video I will teach you what client think looking at your gig, what he expecting from us, and how to design our profile and gig so that client will trust on us and assign project to us. Let's go. I will explain you with the help of example. Rahul is businessman. He created a website for his business. Now he want a beautiful, unique and creative logo for his business. So what will he do? He will go on Fiverr and search for unique logo design. Then in front of Rahul, hundreds of gigs will come. Firstly, he will see images present on gigs. If he loves the design present on your gig, so he will click on your gig to know more about you. Then client will look at your packages, basic, standard and premium, and then he will look at description on your gig. If he loved your way of working, then he will check your ratings, reviews present on your gig. Then the client will check your profile, what is your educational background, what other skills you have. If all things he loved about you, then he will give you order immediately. Now I will tell you what every client want from you and what kind of people he want for his work. Actually, when we create gig on Fiverr, we don't write description properly and our profile is also not gives clarity to the client. Important points. Number 1, when you are new to the Fiverr, you create so many gigs on your Fiverr account, and for so many gigs our description written at our profile is not valid. So on one Fiverr account make 2 to 3 gigs which are related to each other. Like if you are good at design, then you can make all 2 to 3 gigs related to design only. Don't make fourth gig that I will write content for your website. What will happen if you will create design gigs and content writing gigs from the same Fiverr account? Client understand immediately he is not expert in any of the above skills and has not clarity about what to do in life. Number 2, every client want expert person from any skill. One person cannot be expert in so many skills. That's why client check how much you are expert in that particular skill, looking at your profile, experience and other service you provide and other skills that you have mentioned on your Fiverr account. So what you need to focus on while making your gig and while designing your profile, only mention one skill and make 2 to 3 gigs max related to that skill only. And number 3, at the end I will only say make your profile such that you will look expert in that particular skill. If you love content writing, then make gigs related to writing. Don't make a design gig on the same Fiverr account. If you really want success in life, then focus on only one skill. Improve that skill, you will get lot of orders and lot of money from the same gig and from the same skill. I only suggest you start your freelance journey today. I have given link in the description, so download Fiverr app. You will get 10% bonus on first order. So start your freelance journey and earn money just sitting on your bed. Bye, take care. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.